Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Javaserver Faces, JSF, is a popular framework for building component-based user interfaces for web applications. It simplifies the development integration of web-based user interfaces by using reusable UI components, managing their state, and handling events. JSF is part of the Java EE, Jakarta EE, specification. ### Key concepts of JSF. 1. UI components. JSF provides a rich set of standard UI components such as input fields, buttons, and data tables, which can be easily managed and rendered in a web application. 2. Managed beans. These are Java classes that are managed by the JSF framework. They contain the application logic and hold the state of the UI components. 3. Navigation. JSF supports navigation between pages through implicit navigation, using outcomes, and explicit navigation, using navigation rules. 4. Faces config. The faces config.xml file is used for configuring the JSF application, including the managed beans and navigation rules. 5. Expression language, L. JSF uses L to bind UI components to managed bean properties. ### Setting up a JSF application. To create a simple JSF application, follow these steps. ############################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################### You can use a build tool like Maven to set up your project. Create a new Maven project and add the following dependencies to your pom.xml. #####2. Create a managed bean. Create a Java class that will act as a managed bean. This class will contain properties and methods to handle user interactions. #####3. Create a JSF page. Create a JSF page, example index.xhtml, in the src/main/webapp directory. This page will use the managed bean to interact with the user. #####4. Configure web.xml. Ensure your web.xml file is configured to support JSF. This file should be located in src/main/webapp/webinf/. ####5. Run the application. After setting up the project, you can deploy it on a Java EE server like Apache Tomcat or Payera. You can use Maven commands to build and deploy your application. Then, deploy the generated WAR file to your server. ###accessing the application. Once your application is running, navigate to http://localhost 8080/yourappcontext/index.xhtml. You should see a simple form where you can enter your name and click Greet. After entering your name, the application will display a greeting message. ###conclusion. JSF provides a powerful way to develop web applications in Java with a focus on component-based architecture. The example above illustrates the basics of creating a JSF application with a managed bean and a simple user interface. As you become more familiar with JSF, you can explore more advanced features such as custom components, validation, and integration with other technologies like CDI, contexts and dependency injection.